Take 4 bone-in chicken thighs and place them on a cutting board. Now we're trimming off any excess fat. You don't need to go crazy here, just the big pieces and a little fat is fine. Take a handful of fresh parsley and chop it up finely. This marinade is what makes the whole dish special, so don't skip any of these ingredients. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This helps everything stick and keeps the chicken moist. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey. This is where we get that sweet caramelization and helps create that golden, crispy skin that adds a subtle sweetness and works really well with the orange. Add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika for that. That smoky flavor is going to be truly incredible. Next, add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning or poultry seasoning. Take 1 clove of garlic and press it right into the bowl. We use a garlic press, but you can mince it with a knife too. Take 1 spinning orange and zest it right into the bowl. Just the orange part, not the white pith underneath. That white part is bitter, and don't put that orange away yet. We're using it later, so keep it on your counter. In the end, add a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Now mix everything together really well. You want this to become almost like a paste, and this marinade smells incredible already. Guys, if you liked our recipes, don't forget to hit the like button. It's a kind of sign for us to know what recipes you like the most. Move your chicken thighs into a clean bowl or dish. Now here's the fun part. We're putting this marinade under the skin. Carefully slide your fingers under the skin of each thigh to create a pocket. Take some of the marinade and spread it evenly under the skin of each piece. Don't rip the skin, just loosen it gently. Get it all over the meat. This way the flavor goes directly into the chicken while the skin stays on top to get crispy. Make sure each thigh gets a good amount of marinade under there. Use all of it. The more flavor, the better. Don't worry if it feels weird at first, just go slow and the skin won't tear. This is what makes the difference between okay chicken and chicken that's actually worth making. Now cover this and put it in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes. After the chicken has marinated, we're ready to cook. Line your air fryer basket with parchment paper. Next, grab that orange we zested earlier. Slice it into rounds about 1/4 inch thick. These orange slices are going to be our base, and they will flavor the chicken from underneath. Lay the orange slices in the bottom of the air fryer basket. Spread them out so they cover the bottom. Now place your marinated chicken thighs right on top of the oranges, skin side up. The oranges will infuse flavor from the bottom while everything cooks. So we're ready to cook. Put the basket back in the air fryer. Set it to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Guys, just keep in mind, every air fryer is a little different. So check on the chicken as it cooks to make sure it doesn't over or undercook. All right, it's done. Open it up slowly and just look at this. The skin is golden and crispy, and you can see all that marinade caramelized on top. Time to plate this up. Take a serving plate and first add those roasted orange slices. They're soft, sweet, and they've been soaking up all the chicken juices. They're not just for show, they actually taste really good. Lay them out on the plate one by one. Now add your chicken thighs right on top. Look at that crispy skin and all that color. If you have any parsley left over from the marinade, sprinkle a little on top. Adds a pop of green and some freshness. And that's it. This works as a main dish with rice, potatoes, or a salad. The orange adds this sweet citrus flavor that goes perfectly with the smoky paprika and honey. What else would you make in the air fryer? Anything we missed with this recipe? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.